everyone, welcome back to Harinya's World. ఈరోజు డివిజన్ గురించి సమ్ బేసిక్స్ టాపిక్స్ చూద్దాము. బేసిక్ డివిజన్కి రిలేటెడ్ టర్మ్స్ వచ్చేసి డివిడెండ్, డివైజర్, కోఎఫిషియంట్ అండ్ రిమైండర్. ఏదైనా ఒక సమ్ చూస్తే, డివిజన్ చూస్తే 24 డివైడెడ్ బై 2, దీన్ని డివిడెండ్ అంటారు, దీన్ని డివైజర్, we'll call it as a divisor, and the answer we will get, that is called as the coefficient. The last what we will get, that is called as the remainder. In this example, 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, and then the leftover is 4, that we took that down because 0 is less than 2, so that we need to take another number. We should drop down the another number, 4. In 2 table, when the 4 will come, 2 2s are 4. So 4 minus 4, 0. So 0 is less than 2, but here there is no number to take the drop down. Then this is our remainder. And then one more. Whatever we got, the answer is correct or not, we need to check that. For that, here easy method is checking the division. What we will get, the divisor. What we got the divisor? What is the divisor? 2 into coefficient. What we got the coefficient? 12 plus the remainder. What is the remainder? Here we got the, in this particular sum, we got the remainder is 0 plus 0 is equals to, we need to get that the dividend. Then only if we got the dividend for this answer, we get the dividend, then our particular sum is correct. Otherwise, whatever we done, that is wrong. So 2 12s are 24 plus 0 is equals to 24. So here we got that 24 is a dividend. So it is correct. And then one more is division and multiplication are the inverse operations. We'll see. Here what is the division? The sum 24 divided by 2. Inverse operation means, here what we got this here, answer 12. The coefficient into the divisor is equals to 2, is equals to, both is same. 24 divided by 2, we got 12. 12 into 2 will get 24. So the division and multiplication are the inverse operations. For example, see here, 20 in detail, 24 divided by 2 will get the 12, and 12 into 2 will get the answer 24. This both are inverse operations. And then division is repeated subtraction. For this, the justification is 24 divided by 2. So we need to subtract the 2 from the 24. 24 minus 2 is 22, minus 2 20, minus 2 18, minus 2 16, minus 2 14, minus 2 12, minus 2 10, minus 2 8, minus 2 6, minus 2 4, minus 2 2. So here how many times we subtracted? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So 12 times we subtracted. Here also we got the answer, the question answer same. Thank you for watching. Okay, Nava.